are crowing, rise and shine. Cows are mooing in a line. Sheep are bleating in the field. Birds are chirping, what a deal. Pigs are oinking in the mud. Ducks are quacking, having fun. Dogs are barking by the farm. Cats are purring, full of charm. Listen to the sounds around. Animal voices all around. Singing, mimic every sound. Animal noises make us proud. Frogs are croaking by the pond. Crickets chirping, dusk beyond. Horses neighing in the barn. Owls are hooting, night moves on. Elephants trumpet loud and grand. Monkeys chatter in the sand. Lions roar throughout the land. Zebras whinny, can't be planned. Listen to the sounds around. Animal voices all around. Singing, mimic every sound. Animal noises make us proud.